And there are 4 ads I recommend every realtor run, regardless of your level. One
Okay.
would be Reach ads. So Reach is basically like a digital version of direct mail. It's the most inexpensive way to get your name and brand and your face in front of your target market, your farm. So you can spend as little as $100 a month on Reach ads and reach tens of thousands of people. Now, it's not optimized to get you clicks, calls, and conversions. It's basically like direct mail. Hey, I'm going to put your face out there as many places as possible for cheap as possible. So that's more of a brand enhancement. Then you have video ads, like we were just talking about. You are highly recommending video because it allows people to know, like, and trust you quicker and connect. It allows you to retarget, and also just gets people to get more comfortable with you from that standpoint. So video ads. Then, of course, you have website traffic ads. So depending on your sales process, you want to drop traffic to your direct listings or maybe your landing page where they can schedule a call, whatever your sales process may be, but driving traffic to that website, because now, once again, everybody say gotcha. Once they click on that website, if you have your Facebook pixel installed, you can retarget them. So if you're listening or watching and still I don't understand this retargeting thing, let's say you go to Macy's.com, click on that red shoe, all of a sudden you get a phone call and your buyer just said, hey, I'm at the dealership about to buy a car. And you say, oh no, I got to put this fire out because they're going to mess up their credit, mess up this deal. All of a sudden you go back to your phone. You never bought the red shoe, but that red shoe is following you around every single day. And it's saying, don't forget to buy. You all can do the exact same thing if they visit your website by retargeting them because they've raised their hand and said, I'm interested. And last but not least, a lot of real estate agents don't take advantage of this. Open house ads. Create a free Facebook event page, put the listing information, the address, the date and time, and now you can run ads to that specific event and get more bodies in the door. I'm getting tired of real estate agents saying, hey, I was there Saturday and Sunday. Only people in the house were me and my assistant and the smell of cookies. And so once people RSVP to this Facebook event, once again, say, gotcha, now you can remarket to those people over and over again for every future listing or open house that you have.
Wow. So reach ad, video ads, website traffic ads, and open house ads.
Absolutely.